Hey everybody, this is Blast Monkeys Part 20, with finally my favorite minigame right here. Oh, come on, I'm so close. Oh, yeah. And why is this one of my favorite minigame? Is because it just is. That's why it's my favorite. I'm gonna see if I can try to get to 1,800 without losing a single life. Come on! Well, I did not quite do that. Oh well, I tried. I was indeed close. I cannot believe that we're in 20 parts now. Like, it is indeed crazy. And also, guess what? Apparently, we're also gonna get... Yeah, we're also gonna get new textures in Minecraft. That is indeed crazy. Let's see if I can try to get to at least 3,100 before this round is over, when I lose my last life. At least. There we go. Well, I did not quite beat my high score, but I got pretty close. I cannot believe today is January 9th, 2026. Wow, we're 9 days into the new year. That is indeed crazy. And also, yeah. Yes, the 50-something minute video is coming soon. And actually, you know what? I decided that the maximum amount of time I'm ever going to record in a mobile video will be 1 hour. For YouTube. Because I said so. The maximum amount of time I will ever record for a mobile video will be 1 hour. Why 1 hour? Why not? And because that would just make more sense to do that, rather than make the maximum limit 40 minutes. Yeah. I only said that because I want to make the maximum amount of time for a mobile video 40 minutes was because of blast monkeys. I cannot believe it. We're almost 10 minutes into a video, that's crazy. Did you see that combo there? That was crazy, yo. Oh, come on. Why are you dodging it, bro? There you go. Yes, once again, I was watching Investigation Discovery before I recorded that. Come on! What are you doing? There. Ha! Whoa! Going way too fast there, buddy. Slow down. There. Like, jeez. That was going way too fast. There we go, finally. I'm gonna try to get, like, the lowest score. 30. That's the lowest you can get. Yep, this is almost the end of the video. Yep. This video will be 15 minutes. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe! And I'll see you all in the next video.